So I'm just gonna show you. So we unscrew it completely like that. Yeah. So I'll put it here, little bit. Yeah. So there is a little bit of space. Yeah. Yeah. Perfect. And this is my small blade. They're so so tiny and so like it's really easy to they cut so precisely. So this is like a nano blade basically. Yeah. It's thin one. Yeah, and I'm just going to, usually when we open it, we never do this, because obviously we're going to damage, like just a little bit, and that's how we take it out. Yeah, so I will place it here. Yeah, just place it like this. Yeah. And I like to place it as pretty much as close as possible, because it doesn't move, because otherwise it's quite flexible here. Can you see? Maybe a little bit move it. Not much. Can you see now? Hold on. See? Be very careful because it's really sharp. Yeah. That's it. And you can see how thin it is. It's very, very sharp. Yeah, really tiny. So I will, let me just check something here. Yeah. Just gonna check something. Yeah. See how very quickly cuts. So we have to make sure, see the cuts? Yeah. We don't have to press too much. We don't have to press too much. Yeah, it's already a big cut. Like you could see, like when I stretch the skin, it's so easy to cut. So yeah, you don't, because as soon as you cut more, it goes too deep, and the result is not good. Yeah. So this is one. So now I'm gonna just draw an eyebrow. So we will do, as we do always. Yeah. So the one I was doing last time. Actually, no. Maybe I do a bit bigger for this is my okay. Yeah, that's my obviously kind of so I can do the spine like that. Yep. Then I will have this to complete. When I practice, I like to put my pigment here, not on the ring, because on the ring I just feel a little bit uncomfortable. That's it, not too much. Yeah. Like that. Make sure you always close it, because it's so pigment. You damage, if it goes on your clothes, that's it, it's not going to be able. Yeah, that's it. Good. So I will just dip a little bit of pigment. Yeah, it doesn't have to be too much. Yeah, you can see. For example. Yeah, I'm just going to dip a bit more, because by the time I show you, it just goes up. And then I will start, so you can see. Yeah. Little cut, and we always cut 90 degrees. So when they heal, it's going to be the same. They're not going to become blurry. Yeah, so I would just maybe use a little bit less pigment so you can see. You can all see. So I don't need to touch. My spine, okay? So this is my spine. I can touch, but I don't need to touch it, okay? So you outline, because see that every time I do that, I make sure there is a little line on the actual line of the, on the pencil, whatever I've used there. Because if it doesn't, it's just going to be like a hose. So I try to make it the same thing I'm trying on from the top. Yeah, so I would do, I can do a second one actually now, so you can see. So you can see my blade how it is, yeah, 90 degrees exactly.
So you still don't touch the spine?
Yeah, now I can start.
little
And
bit.
then what I want is, remember how I was explaining last time? I want to do like a circle here. So every time I touch the spine, if I carry on with this stroke, it's gonna circle around it. So this is, that's only like this you can blend it really well. Yeah, so, and I'm not pressing too much as well. So you can see now I'm going here and I'm there already. Yeah, so you can see, so I'm going here, a little bit pigment. Can see how nice. Yeah, so, and it looks like a really nice eyebrow actually. So can you see now blending there?
Yes, and on the second
Yeah,
one
you know what?
touch this
Yeah,
one.
and then second one I'm touching. Yes, exactly. Yeah. So it blends, and then now I will do the top. So from the top, I'll see. Maybe later I can connect. Yeah, we'll see now. But anyway, let me try. Even here, I can do a stroke like that because I need to start slowly going down, and then later I'm going to complete this. Yeah, later I can fill those gaps. Yeah, here, we'll see exactly as I did with her. So it's slowly starting. So see how it goes a bit on there and goes down. And you can see that I'm slowly moving out of here. That's it. Like, and I just can maybe one last one like this. That's it. Okay. So this is, and then I'm gonna have to do my second one. So from here, I will just literally blend. Can you see? Because I need to blend them. Yeah. And then from here, I may just do another blend. Exactly what I did with her. Yeah, this is exactly what I did with her. And then from here, okay, we're just gonna repeat this. Maybe this I'll carry on. So it's all completed. And then last one. And then I'm gonna maybe add 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's here is a bit fuller. So I would do one here. So it goes full, yeah? Because otherwise it's gonna be empty. And let me see, maybe here as well one. Because we want it to look quite nice, yeah? And because now it looks a bit, maybe I can add even one at the front. Yeah, we'll see. Yeah, but I can do that now. Okay. Hold on. Yeah. So just to be soft, you know. You can do anything you want, really, to be honest. But yeah. So this is my, yeah?
Yeah.
Good. And I will need oil. I didn't take the oil. Chloe, just over there, like the pink. Yeah, yeah. So, yeah. Yeah. So I'll just.
Is this baby oil?
Any. You can use baby oil, you can use just a sunflower oil. The thinner the better. This is a bit thicker even. This is almond oil.
What's this from?
but you can use.
What's the oil?
So to remove it.
Oh.
It's easy, but not on the real client.
I was going to say, yeah.
No, I know you're confused. No, not on the real client. Yeah.
Oh.
So it looks like the actual.
Yes. Yeah. So that's it. Actually, that was quite good oil. Yeah. That's it.
Can I pick it up?
Of course. A few 2 to 3 little ones here to make it look a little bit more natural. And I did it. It's okay. But that's after you do create the main ones.
So
Would you
good.
say that was that